Imagine spotting a mighty phoenix, breathing and flying around, casting a golden, fiery glow. Majestic, isn't it? Well, this is possible with the power of artificial intelligence. Through cutting-edge algorithms, AI has brought these mystical birds to life, and their distinctive feature that adds colors to the surroundings. Every move, each radiant feather, feels like watching a dream unfold. These majestic birds are much more than just AI creations. They are a futuristic glimpse of nature and art coming together in perfect harmony.